So in this question, it is written, sketch the graph of y equal to 4x minus 2x square minus 3 and find the coordinates of its turning point and write down the equation of line of symmetry that you need to do it. So first of all, if you rearrange them, it should be minus 2x square and it should be plus 4x and minus 3. Okay. Now with x square, there is a negative sign. It means it will be a reverse of U-shaped graph, right? Let's do completing the square. If we do completing the square, so let's take minus 2 outside and it should be here x square minus 4x, okay, and it is minus 3. So I have taken this outside, and if you do the completing the square, so it should be minus 2, and if you apply completing the square here, it should be x minus 1 square and minus 1, okay, and this bracket should be here and it is minus 3, right? So once you multiply, it should be minus 2 x minus 1 square. When you multiply minus 2 with the minus 1, it should be plus 2 and it is minus 3. So we got y equal to minus 2 x minus 1 square and it is minus 1. Okay. Now, so what should be the turning points here? So turning point here, you just change the sign of this minus 1. It should be 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 is coming from here. This will be your turning point. Okay, so 1 and minus 1. And then they are asking, write down the equation of the line of symmetry. So if you just plot it, plot this graph, okay, turning points are 1 and minus 1. So this is your 1 value and suppose this is your minus 1 value, right? So graph will be like this. Okay, now where it is hitting on the y-axis? On the y-axis, if you put x equal to 0 in the equation, in the top equation here, so you get y equal to minus 3. So this point will be 0 and minus 3. Is that okay? So 0 and minus 3, and this is your x equal to 1. So if you draw this line, right, so this will be your line of symmetry and that should be x equal to 1. Okay, this will be your line of symmetry. Is that okay?